And after that you can read the instructions and use this library in Flutter. So here you can see the first instruction is creating our image picker object. And after that, by using this image picker object, we can choose images from gallery. We can capture images using camera. Similarly, we can choose videos from gallery or capture videos using cameras as well. But for now, let's declare our image picker variable. So just copy this line and open our main dot file. And here above this underscore image variable, let's paste it. So now you can see this error. So just click on this image picker and press Alt plus Enter. So you can see we need to add the import for our image picker library. And now you can see the error is gone. So we are declaring our image picker object here and initializing it. And after that we can use this underscore picker object and choose or capture the images. As for now, we want to choose images from gallery when the user will gonna click on this button. So here you can see we have set this on press listener, and when the user will gonna click on it, we are calling this choose images method. So inside this method we need to add the code. So we are gonna use this picker object and we are gonna choose images from gallery. And to do that, open the documentation page and you can see pick an image. So we need to copy this line, and after that we need to paste it inside our choose images method. So I'm gonna paste it here, and in this line we are using our underscore picker variable, which is an object of type image picker, and we are calling its method pick image. And in this method you need to specify the source. As for now, we specified the source to gallery. And if you want to capture the images, then you can choose the source to camera as well. But for now, let's choose gallery. And once this method will be called, the gallery will be opened. And once user will gonna choose an image, then this method will gonna return that image in the form of this x file variable. And you can see this await keyword is showing an error, and the reason is we need to make this method asynchronous, because this thing will gonna take some time. So now when this method will be called, the gallery will be opened, and when user will gonna choose an image from gallery, then we will get this x file variable. And after getting this x file object, we can get the path of image that user selected, and we can initialize this underscore image variable. So here, by using this image variable, which is of type x file, we can get the path. But before that, we need to verify that if this image variable is not null, so only in that case we are gonna do that. So if is not null, so only in that case we are gonna initialize our underscore image variable. So now if it is not null, then we are gonna get the path of file that user selected. So by using this path property, we can get the path, and then we can create a new file object. And in the constructor, we are gonna specify the path. And after that, we can assign this file variable to our underscore image, because this is the file variable which we are using inside our image widget. And that's it. So when this method will be called, using this picker.pickImage method, the gallery will be opened. And once user will gonna choose the image, we will get this x file variable. And here we are checking if this variable is not null, which means that user have selected any image. Then we are getting the path of that image and assigning it to our underscore image variable. And now this underscore image variable will not be null, so we need to update our GUI so that the image will be displayed here. And to do that, we just need to move this line inside a set state block. So just type set state here, and then inside it we are gonna add this line. So after adding these braces, let's add a semicolon, and now let's paste the line inside it. And the reason is we want to update the GUI so that our image will be shown. So by moving this line inside a set state block, our application GUI will be updated, because wherever this underscore image variable is being used, the changes will apply, and we are using it here inside our GUI. So now this underscore image will not be null and our image widget will be displayed. So now let's install the application inside the simulator again and see whether we are able to choose images inside Flutter or not. So I am going to install this application again. So just stop this main dot dot and install the application again. So now the application is installed again, and when we are gonna click on this button, you will see the gallery will be opened. So there you can see the emulator gallery is opened, and here you can choose an image. So let's select this first image for now. And there you can see our selected image is being displayed here. So our application is working correctly and we are able to choose images from gallery inside this application. And we are doing that with the help of this image picker library. Similarly, you can select some other image. So when we are gonna click on this choose button again and choose this Ronaldo image, you can see it is being displayed here. So this application is working quite well. And now the next step is capturing images using camera inside Android.